Oh yeah. Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, on today's cook, it's not going to make my turkeys very happy because on today we're doing Polynesian turkey legs on the Pit Boss Classic. So stick around and we'll get right to it. We've got some humongous turkey legs here. Today our base layer is going to be WANNARUB. They're a veteran-owned company. It consists of cane sugar, paprika, pink Himalayan salt, pepper, spices, garlic, onions, and dried chilies. I've been using this rub for a little over a year now. I've put it on pretty much everything from breakfast to pastas, to pork. Tastes great on everything. We're going to go ahead and let this sweat in now while the grill comes up to temperature. Then we're going to go ahead and put this on the grill. And then after 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and start basting on the Polynesian sauce. And we're going to keep basting it every 15 minutes until it's done at 175 degrees. Today we're going to be using cherry rum pellets to give it a nice island smoky flavor. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on now and set it to smoke and open it up to let all that nasty white smoke out. Now we go ahead and kick it up to 350. Now it's time to make the Polynesian sauce. We've got 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of white wine, 1/2 clove of minced garlic, now in this bowl here, there's 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 chopped onion, and 1/4 tablespoon of ground ginger. Now we're going to go ahead and put some Tabasco in there. Recipe calls for 4 shots. I like putting a lot extra in there. Go ahead and stir this up now. So while it's cooking, I'm going to do a quick. So I went ahead and quartered up a whole pineapple, slapped some WANNARUB on it, threw it on the grill. We're going to go ahead and let that coast on it until the turkey legs are done. Take it off, slice it up, and have us some nice island flavor. Oh yeah. And here we have it, our Polynesian turkey legs with our grilled pineapple. Let's go in for a taste test. Oh yeah, nice and juicy. Definitely can taste that Polynesian sauce on there, with the soy sauce and white wine, mixed in with the WANNARUB. Nice combination. Let's go ahead for a little bit of that grilled pineapple. Nice sweetness, mixed with warm pineapple, mixed with a little bit of that spicy from the WANNARUB. Can't go wrong. Gotta try it out. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.